Are you having problems that DoorDash keeps asking you to verify identity and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how you can actually complete this process successfully and fix that problem. So basically what you need to do first is to grab your driver's license. Quite often they're going to ask for your driver's license and you need to have it physically. And a lot of the times the problem is that when you're going to take a photo later on of your driver's license, make sure that all the corners are visible. That is very important. And I'm going to show you now exactly how to complete this process. So now in here you will be taken to this page, click on OK to access your camera, click on allow here, and now you're going to scan your driver's license. As you can see, all the corners needs to be visible, then click right here. We're now going to wait a couple of seconds for it to verify. I'm just going to make sure that it's visible for you right here. So it might take you a couple of seconds to actually complete it. Then you're going to click on take a photo. And now you're going to center yourself here, as you can see. And then you're going to just follow the instructions like rotate your head, look to the right, look to the left, as you can see, and just follow that instruction. And make sure that, of course, it has, like, the face needs to match what kind of driver's license that you also provide to them, as you can see. And then you're going to click on continue. And that is basically exactly how to actually fix this problem.